We got to settle this. Which one's actually better? Mega ship versus classic cruise ship.
Travel smarter, not harder.
What are your thoughts? We'll start with you.
With me,
Yep. Give me your case. Finish it up.
mega ships didn't make cruising better. They made it busier. Cruising used to be about escaping the world, and now we just brought it with us on the boat. The packed schedules and packed pool decks, some mega ships are so busy. Was it the Harmony? I don't remember, it was Harmony or Oasis. But I needed a vacation after my cruise because I just walked over a marathon in miles. Mega ships didn't just change cruising. They opened the door for who cruising is designed for. They built it for those activity seekers, the families, the first-time cruisers. But those that are looking for something quieter would go for the smaller ship. Be honest, has anyone ever felt overwhelmed on those mega ships? And that's is matters.
So if our channel helps you cruise smarter and spend less, do the YouTube thing. Let us know in the comments below. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Really helps our channel, and make sure you don't miss any stuff that the cruise lines don't exactly advertise.
If you're cruising for experience, mega ships are hard to beat. They have massive entertainment, tons of dining options, endless activities, and I mean endless. They are perfect for families. And if it's your first cruise, it's going to blow your mind. It's going to want you to cruise again. But if you're for relaxation, I say go to the solarium.
The solarium is not always more relaxed.
Solarium's always relaxed. They're in every ship. Go to the solarium, go to the Vibe Beach Club. You want relaxation, there are tons of it. You can find it on every ship. Doesn't matter what it is.
I want to pause for just a second because this is where a lot of people get stuck. One of the most common questions we hear, which cruise line should I actually book? Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, Princess, and a lot of people end up booking the wrong one for their travel style. So if you're trying to figure that out, we actually built a cruise personality quiz. It's linked right in this video. It's completely free, and at the end it matches you to the cruise line that fits your style the best. That quiz, it'll point you in the right direction. All right, let's get back to the video.
Right, and I will agree. Your best cruise memories usually aren't the attractions. Those are those quiet moments you didn't plan. It is your walk on the deck.
I do have to share this comment because we can't wait for your first cruise either, Maddie. It's going to be fantastic. We are 4 weeks away, getting super excited for it. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to feel like there's a lot to do. Again, mega shipper for families, first-time cruisers, activity seekers, and people actually do cruise for the ship itself.
They do, yes. They don't even get off at ports.
If I've got to make my pick, and if I'm going to cruise with my family, I want a mega ship. I want something big. I want something to do. I want something.
I'll help you there. You're team mega ship, and I'm team ocean. That's how we'll put it, right? Instead of classic.
Ocean.
Team ocean.
How do you know if you're always taking a nap on the pool deck? That's where
because I wake up and I see the ocean, and then I'm happy and I relax and go back to sleep.
So obviously there isn't a perfect size ship. There really isn't. There's just the right ship for you. I'm going to go back to it. I'm going to throw it up on the screen one more time because this really helps. It's our cruise quiz again. It's free. Please go on, take a scan of it. It'll tell you which line to choose. It won't tell you the ship. And that's where people like Kat and I and even DC can help you out with that. Hop on a Facebook group, hop on YouTube. There's tons of videos on cruises out there. I'm going to leave you with this. Which ships get more views? We'll use the one you and I recently did together on Radiance. It took us a week to go through and find videos on everything on Radiance, on YouTube and Facebook. It took us 12 minutes to do it with Harmony.
I don't necessarily think that's a fair apples to apples comparison, as people are always looking up the new stuff in Radiance, and some of those warships have been around a while. So a lot of that product or media, that's the word I'm looking for, is old. So people don't look at it as often. And yes, it's older ship. smaller ships, so they're not the bright, shiny penny. And I know you're all about the lights and going to Vegas.
All right, guys. So that's our live for tonight. But we do want to know, are you Team Megaship?
Or Team Ocean.
Team Ocean. Where did you come up with that?
I don't know. I'm creative.
We thank you very much for coming and joining us tonight. We will be back at you guys next Wednesday, 7 o'clock. Great topic. It's actually the most engagement we've gotten online ever. We are talking about balcony versus inside. I got over 1,000 comments on this one topic alone. So I'm really, really excited to talk about it. If you wouldn't mind, take the time, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It really helps us out. You guys have a great night. Thank you very much. And
Good night.
Oh.